Hello friends, welcome to Dev Defense Academy. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. Today we'll be talking about Tour of Duty, 3-year short service scheme. The civilians can join the army for 3 years. It is the soldier, not the poet, who has given us the freedom of speech. Welcome on board, ladies and gentlemen, to Dev Defense Academy, and let us start today's discussion about the Tour of Duty. Indian Army is considering to allow common citizens to join the 1.3 million strong force for a 3-year tenure to serve the nation under the Tour of Duty or 3-year short service commission scheme. Initially, 100 officers and 1,000 men are being considered for the recruitment as part of test bedding of the project. So now we must be thinking, what is it? Well, it will be a voluntary engagement. The Army's plan is to attract the best talent into the force and bring the civil society closer to the force by giving them an opportunity to experience military life. It is for youth who do not want to make defense services their permanent vocation, but still want to experience the thrill and adventure of military professionalism. Well, before we proceed, I would like to remind you all to join Dev Defense Academy now by liking and subscribing to our channel. You can also join us on Telegram. We are available by the name of Tri Services. You can download your latest study material from there. The proposal is a shift from the concept of permanent services job in the armed forces towards an internship or a temporary experience kind of a scenario for 3 years. For this, it proposes that the individual's earnings for the 3-year period could be made tax-free, and he/she could be given a preference in public sector jobs as well as postgraduate courses. Tour of Duty is for both officers as well as for Jawans. It will bring in savings from salaries and pensions and decrease the frustration of officers who are released after 10 to 14 years of service when they are in their mid-30s. Benefits for the government. There are immense financial benefits to the organization due to reduction in pay and gratuity payouts. The cost of 3-year service per officer will be a fraction of the cost incurred on short service commission officers. The cost incurred on an officer who leaves after 10 to 14 years is nearly Rs 5 to 6.8 crores, which includes the cost of pre-commission training, pay allowances, gratuity, leave encashment, among others. Well, to a surprise, the corresponding cost for a 3-year service will just be Rs 80 to 85 lakhs. Short service commission officers have the option to join the service permanently, which further increases the cost incurred, including pension bills. For soldiers who usually serve for 17 years, the Army has calculated a lifetime savings of Rs 11.5 crores per person as compared to a 3-year service. Benefits for citizens and the country. It will help to channelize the youth energy into positive utilization of their potential. Rigorous military training and habits inculcated will lead to healthy citizenry. The entire nation will benefit from trained, disciplined, confident, diligent and committed young men or women who have done the 3-year service. An initial survey has indicated that the corporate sector will prefer to hire such youths rather than the fresh graduates. The Army's pay and pension bills have been increasing steeply over the years, accounting for 60% of its budget allocation. In the last 5 years, though the growth in the defense budget has been 68% and for defense salaries 75%, defense pension have increased by a staggering rate of 146%. Standing Committee of Defence 2019. According to a report of Standing Committee of Defence, the deficiency in officer cadre of Indian Army stood at an approximate 14%. The Army had 42,253 officers and 11.94 lakh jawans, according to the report. The Indian Navy had 10,000 officers and 57,310 personnels. The advocates for this scheme also cite resurgence of nationalism and patriotism and the fact that unemployment in our country is a reality. There are some reforms which are necessary as of now. Short Service Commission should be made more attractive for the youth. Retirement age of Army Jawans and Indian Air Force and Indian Navy personnel should be increased. A trained Army Jawan retires after 15 to 17 years of service in the force, which results in a massive loss of trained manpower. We hope you liked this video and it was useful. If you have any queries or concerns, do write in the comments box below and we'll get back to you shortly. And yes, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon.